At the southern end of the planet, the long summer days transform life, just as they do in the north. But the cast here is very different. King penguins. A parent returning with food must recognize its chick's call amongst a chorus of 400,000 birds. King penguins are active throughout the long summer days, so they have to deal with an uncharacteristic polar problem. By midday, the temperature can reach a sizzling 17 degrees centigrade. Any effort can lead to overheating. It's best not to overexert oneself. The heavily insulated penguins stretch out so their naked feet can cool in the breeze. Their gigantic neighbours use a different approach. Wet sand cools the backs of these elephant seals and also acts as a sunscreen. The chicks in their downy coats that have kept them warm all winter are in even greater danger of overheating. It will be 2 months before they can swim properly, but a dip in the shallow river brings a little relief. There is, however, another way to cool the blood. This murky pool has become a penguin spa. It's a great way to cool the feet, but there is no reason to stop there. You can indulge yourself with the full treatment. Mud, glorious mud. For the fully feathered adults, there's a cleaner, more invigorating option, the bracing waters of the Southern Ocean.